So the first section we're going to do is solving systems of equations by graphing. Okay, before we do that, I need to make sure we all know how to graph. Okay, so graphing involves our slope-intercept form here is y equals mx plus b. Okay, m stands for our slope, okay, and b stands for our y-intercept. Okay, so if we have a graph, okay, and say they give it to us like this, you can write y equals mx plus b above it. Okay, and so it's easy to see here, right, when it's organized in this way, that m is our 1/3, okay, and our b, our y-intercept, is 2. Okay, now remember, m is our slope, b is our y-intercept. So if b is 2, what does intercept mean to you guys?
Like crosses.
Okay, where it crosses, right? Okay, so b, this is our y-intercept. That's where it crosses, the graph crosses our y-axis. Okay, which one's our y-axis? Up and down or side to side?
Down.
Okay, up and down, right? So this is our x, this is our y. So our y-intercept is going to be at 2. So we go up 1, 2, make a dot. Okay. Now I don't see anyone writing. That's good. When I'm explaining, I do want you not writing. Okay, just following along, trying to make sense of it in your head. Then I'll have you guys do a problem. Okay. So our y-intercept is 2. You go up from the origin here, or point here, where x and y cross. That's our origin. You're going to start there, go up 1, 2. Okay. From there, we're going to do our slope, rise over run. So our slope is 1/3. So we're going to rise from this point, not from the origin. This is a common mistake people make. Okay, so they'll go, okay, here's my y-intercept. Here's my slope. I'm going to go from here and go up 1/3. Okay, that's not how you want to do it. You go from the point, okay, from the y-intercept, we're going to rise 1, run 1, 2, 3. So up 1 over 3. Okay, now once you have 2 points, you can make a line. Okay, now usually they want you to do more than 2 just to make sure you're doing it correctly, okay, and get more points on that line. But really, the minimum you need to make a line is 2 points. Okay, so we could connect them here. Now, if we wanted to make a third point, is 1/3 the same as -1 over -3? It is, right? Because negative over negative gives us positive. Okay. So if I was thinking of it as -1 over -3, my rise would be down 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3. Notice, if I go down 1 to the left 3, it lands me back on my line, right? From this point, I could go up 1 over 1, 2, 3, back on my line. From here, we could go down 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3, gets me to that point. Okay, so you can think of the slope, if it's positive, you can think of it as +1 over +3, or -1 over -3. Okay. Sometimes that's useful because they'll give you a chart to make your graph on, and if you do the positive way, it's going to take you off the paper. Okay, but if you do negative, it'll stay on the paper. Okay, questions about my y-intercept, my slope? If you have questions, that's fine. I mean, I want you to ask questions. Anytime you are unsure of anything, there's probably someone else in the room as well. Okay, any questions? Okay, so they're going to give you the problems in different forms. They can give it to you written out in the equation, or they can just say slope and y-intercept. Okay, if they give it to me like this, my y-intercept is 4. It's going to go up from the origin, up 1, 2, 3, 4. make a dot. You always want to do that first. Okay, you always want to do the y-intercept. Way to remember it, y-intercept is B, right? Begin. You begin with your y-intercept. Begin with B. Okay, so here's my B. So up 4, make a dot. Slope is my M. Okay, you're going to go up. Do we go up from the origin or up from the point?
From the point.
Okay, from the point. So we're going to go up 1 over 2. I could do it again. I could go up 1 over 2. Or I could go down 1 to the left 2, right? Negative over negative. Down 1 to the left 2. How many points do we need to make a line?
2.
Only 2, right? Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you guys now go ahead and do this second one. Okay. So go ahead and graph, given the slope, given the y-intercept, go ahead and graph it.